Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT for Instagram. In this tutorial, what I'm going to be doing is asking one question that you can see down below. And from that, we should get a lot of good answers. And then we can ask even more questions to get more details. So in the beginning, it's all about getting ideas. And then we can dive deeper into more of the specifics of Instagram. So I have a YouTube channel called Marketing Island that reviews software, tools, as well as talks about anything online marketing related. How can I use Instagram to grow my channel and overall online business? Let's see what we get. All right, as you can see, once again, exceptionally high demand. It's taking a little while to load, so I refreshed it. Let's try it again. All right, and after a lot of loading, I think it should be done. It's still going crazy here. So it talks about several ways to use it so you can cross-promote your content. You can use Instagram stories to give a behind-the-look scenes at the YouTube content creation process, using Instagram Live to interact, collaborate with other influencers, use their shoppable feature, optimize your Instagram profile by including links, use their analytics to track your performance, use the IGTV to upload longer videos, and creating a consistent and engaging Instagram content strategy. So what I want to do is this. This is where we can dive deeper. So I say, okay, I like this one. These are all good tips, but I want to focus on this one first. So let's dive a little deeper into this. All right, so I put, give me a consistent and engaging Instagram content strategy that aligns with my overall brand, which talks about online marketing and software. All right, wow. Talk about needing a team for all of these steps, going through them. So sharing expert tips, highlighting software tools, sharing behind the scenes content, share user generated content, use the shoppable feature. Some of these are similar to the last ones, but there's a lot more. Instagram Lives, collabing, analytics, the IGTV, use hashtags and Instagram's Explore feature to reach new audiences, create visually appealing and consistent graphics, videos, and images, post regularly and consistently at least once a day or a few times a week to keep your followers engaged. Heck, I would say at least every day with Instagram. I mean, they're pretty quick to create. Use these stories to give a behind-the-scenes look at your YouTube content creation process. Encourage your Instagram followers to check out your YouTube channel. And, of course, using stories. So, once again, we can dive deeper when it comes to these. Let's look at one more. All right, but how else can I use Instagram stories to market online software? There was one talking about software, so let's ask that question. All right, so here we go. Let's see. So showcase new features, tutorials, and demos. Use Instagram swipe up. Create a series of Instagram stories. Location hashtag, IGTV, shopping. Once again, so cool. So let's dive a little bit deeper. So let's say we want to do a story for a review. Let's get a script for that. All right, so create a quick script for an Instagram story talking about a ChatGPT review and how it can help other online marketers. At the end, have a call to action for swiping up. All right, so we got a good amount for the script. So here's a quick script, opening shot of the logo. Hey, everyone, have you heard of it? It's a powerful language model that can help online marketers improve their results. Talks about doing research keywords, copy. I recently tried it out myself. I was impressed with its ability to understand my needs and generate high quality content. It can help you with tasks such as keyword research, copywriting, and even generating ideas for content. Since using it, increasing traffic, kind of like a case study here. And it says, swipe up now to learn more about ChatGPT and how it can help you take your online marketing to the next level. You can also do this, and that. So overall, great. That was a nice little quick script that you would use for a YouTube short. I just said YouTube short. For an Instagram story. I'm getting my social media platforms cross-crissed, as they say. Cross joke. Anyway, so aside from that, you can also go with captions. Anytime you need help writing something, it's probably going to be your best bet. You can write a short caption. You can write a longer caption. It really depends on where you want to go. I've done a separate video about that. But all in all, that is a very quick tutorial. Probably not the quickest in the world, but a tutorial that shows you how to use ChatGPT for Instagram. All it really comes down to is starting with ideas. Even if you already have content, you can talk more about the content that you have, how you can maybe promote it, how you can get more views, what you can do. And if you're not still too sure, just keep asking more questions when it comes to ChatGPT. That's what I did here. Started off with one thing and just kept going and going and going and going and going. And that's pretty much the tutorial. I hope you got some value out of it. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to leave a comment down below. My name is James. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.